Today we are installing eye lighting in this cabinetry display. This is our eye lighting kit all strung together here. From eye lighting you will always get the lights in these pre-plastic encased, no roll LED strips. They also come with the easy plug connectors so they easily come on and off. You can specify white or black case, warm light or cool white light. This is your transformer that you'll get with the easy plug connector. In our case, we have some extended wire here. You as well get your schematic, which will be shipped to you, so that way that is your roadmap to success when installing the lighting, as well as the itemized list. And lastly, you get these alcohol wipes for installation, so that way you can clean the surface before sticking it. So right now we're using a 3/8 bit to drill the hole to snake. That way we'll be able to put our easy plug heads through there and be able to continue our run. So in our case here, we're going to be lighting up the side inside here, on the right side, underneath the run here, underneath the run here, on the left side, and then the right side. So we're now drilling a hole in between the bottom so that we continue it. One of the great things about eye lighting is since it is low voltage DC power, you can always constantly have the power on, have to worry about shocking yourself while working with the lights. So this is our run fully lit. You have a frosted glass here, so it gives a nice hue on the countertop. You won't see too many of the diodes. Our alcohol wipe here. We just wipe the area that we need to. That allows the tape to sit on a nice clean surface. And there's the 3M red tape. Just line it up. We're gonna run our hand all the way down to make sure we get an even stick. And there's that. And then we'll do the other side. And our cabinet's just as easy. So, roughly in around 5 minutes, we were able to do one cabinet of in and under cabinet lighting.